Yo, what's up everybody? It's Sokak Edebiyadi back with another video. Now, if the past few years have taught us anything, it's that the digital world is no longer just an option, it's a necessity. The COVID-19 pandemic really kicked things into overdrive, accelerating digital transformation across pretty much every industry. Businesses had to adapt, and they had to adapt fast, embracing new technologies just to stay afloat. And that brings us to what I want to talk about today. The tech trends that are shaping the future. We're talking about the kind of innovations that are going to revolutionize how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into the 10 most important technology trends for 2024 and beyond. We'll break down each trend, explore what it means, and how it might just change everything. Let's get started. First up, we gotta talk about AI, right? It's not just sci-fi anymore, guys. AI is already deeply integrated into our lives, from the recommendations you get on Spotify to the spam filters in your inbox. But this is really just the tip of the iceberg. We're talking about AI with the potential to revolutionize healthcare, allowing for earlier and more accurate diagnoses. Imagine AI algorithms analyzing medical images, detecting diseases like cancer at stages that were previously impossible. And this is just one example. In the world of finance, AI-powered algorithms are already being used to detect fraud, analyze market trends, and even provide personalized financial advice. We're talking about next-level efficiency and insights that were simply unattainable before. But it's not just about specific industries. AI is also changing the way we interact with technology as a whole. Think about virtual assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. They're becoming more sophisticated every day, learning our preferences and anticipating our needs. And as AI continues to evolve, it's only going to become more powerful and more integrated into our daily lives. This is one trend to keep your eye on because it's going to be a game changer. Next up, let's talk speed, because 5G is here, and it's about to change everything. We're not just talking about faster download speeds on your phone, although that's definitely a perk. 5G is about creating a world where everything is connected, and I mean everything. Think smart cities with traffic systems that adapt in real time to reduce congestion, or factories where machines communicate with each other to optimize production. This level of connectivity is going to fuel a whole wave of new technologies and applications. Imagine surgeons performing remote surgeries with the help of robots and 5G's low latency. We're talking about life-saving possibilities here. But it's not just about the big stuff. 5G is also going to revolutionize the way we experience entertainment. Get ready for lightning-fast streaming, immersive AR and VR experiences, and online gaming that feels like you're right there in the action. 5G is the backbone of our increasingly connected world, and its impact is going to be felt in every aspect of our lives. Now, as we connect more devices than ever before, we're generating an insane amount of data. And that's where edge computing comes in. See, traditionally, we've relied on the cloud to process all this data, but sending data to the cloud and back takes time, and that can create lag. Edge computing solves this problem by bringing data processing closer to the source. Imagine self-driving cars that can make split-second decisions without having to send data to the cloud and wait for a response. That's the power of edge computing. And it's not just about speed. Edge computing also enhances security and privacy. By processing data locally, we can reduce the risk of sensitive information being intercepted during transmission. Think about healthcare, where patient data needs to be protected at all costs. Edge computing allows hospitals to process this data on-site, keeping it secure and confidential. From manufacturing to retail, edge computing is going to transform industries by enabling faster, more efficient, and more secure data processing. Now, let's talk about a trend that's a little bit more on the cutting edge and maybe even a little bit controversial. The Internet of Behaviors, or IoB for short. Essentially, IoB takes the Internet of Things, IoT, to the next level. We're already surrounded by connected devices, from our smartphones to our fitness trackers. These devices collect a ton of data about our behavior. And IoB is all about analyzing that data to understand how we behave and why we make the choices we do. Companies are already using IoB to influence our behavior in subtle ways. Think about targeted advertising that's tailored to your specific interests and habits. But the potential applications of IoB go far beyond marketing. Imagine insurance companies using IoB to assess risk based on driving habits tracked by your car, or healthcare providers using data from wearable devices to monitor patients and provide personalized health recommendations. IoB is raising important questions about privacy and data security, and it's crucial that we have open and honest conversations about how this technology is developed and used. All right, get ready to have your mind blown because quantum computing is about to change the game completely. Now, traditional computers use bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1, but quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. Yeah, you heard that right. This mind-bending concept is called superposition, and it allows quantum computers to perform calculations at speeds that are exponentially faster than anything we've ever seen before. We're talking about solving problems in minutes that would take classical computers thousands of years. This kind of processing power has the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine, where quantum computers could be used to develop new drugs and therapies by simulating molecular interactions with incredible accuracy. In finance, quantum computers could be used to optimize investment strategies and manage risk with unprecedented precision. And those are just a couple of examples. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to solve some of the world's most complex problems. It's a complete game changer. Now, you've probably heard of blockchain in the context of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize far more than just finance. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized, secure, and transparent way to record and verify transactions. Imagine a digital ledger that's distributed across a network of computers, making it virtually impossible to tamper with. This technology has the potential to transform industries like supply chain management, where blockchain can be used to track products from origin to consumer, ensuring authenticity and preventing counterfeiting. In healthcare, blockchain could be used to create secure and interoperable electronic health records, giving patients more control over their data and improving data sharing between healthcare providers. And even in voting, blockchain could potentially create a more secure and transparent electoral process. Blockchain is all about building trust and accountability, and its applications are limited only by our imagination. Now, with all this talk about new technology, we can't forget about the importance of cybersecurity. As our world becomes increasingly digital, protecting our data and systems from cyber threats is more critical than ever. We're talking about everything from protecting personal information from identity theft to safeguarding critical infrastructure from cyber attacks. And the threats are constantly evolving. Hackers are becoming more sophisticated, using advanced techniques like AI and machine learning to launch more sophisticated attacks. That's why it's crucial that we stay one step ahead. We need to invest in robust cybersecurity measures, educate ourselves about potential threats, and adopt best practices to protect our digital lives. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility, and it's something we need to take seriously. Now, this next trend is straight out of a sci-fi movie, human augmentation. We're talking about using technology to enhance our physical and cognitive abilities, essentially blurring the lines between humans and machines. Now, this might sound a little out there, but think about it. We already use technology to augment our senses. Glasses enhance our vision, hearing aids improve our hearing, and prosthetics replace lost limbs. But human augmentation takes things to a whole new level. We're talking about brain-computer interfaces that could allow us to control devices with our thoughts, exoskeletons that could give us superhuman strength, and gene-editing technologies that could potentially cure diseases before we're even born. Human augmentation raises a lot of ethical questions, but it also has the potential to fundamentally change what it means to be human. All right, let's talk about the cloud, but not the cloud you're thinking of. Distributed cloud is a new approach to cloud computing that's changing the way we store and process data. Traditionally, cloud services have been centralized in massive data centers. But with distributed cloud, these services are distributed across multiple locations, closer to the users and devices that need them. This approach offers several benefits, including reduced latency, improved performance, and increased security. Think about applications that require real-time data processing, like autonomous vehicles or remote surgery. Distributed cloud can bring the cloud closer to these applications, enabling faster data processing and reducing the risk of lag. As more and more devices connect to the internet, distributed cloud is going to become increasingly important in enabling fast, efficient, and reliable cloud services. Finally, let's talk about the technologies that are blurring the lines between the real and digital worlds: augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Now, VR has been around for a while, immersing users in completely virtual environments. But AR is where things get really interesting. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing our perception and interaction with our surroundings. Think about trying on clothes virtually without ever setting foot in a store, or learning about a historical landmark by pointing your phone at it and seeing information pop up in real time. AR and VR have the potential to revolutionize fields like education, healthcare, and entertainment, creating more engaging and immersive experiences. From virtual field trips to remote medical diagnoses, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, the 10 technology trends that are transforming 2024 and beyond. From artificial intelligence to augmented reality, these technologies are not just changing the way we live and work. They're changing the world as we know it. It's an exciting time to be alive, but it's also a time for us to be mindful and engaged. These technologies have the potential to do incredible things, but it's up to us to ensure that they're used responsibly and ethically. So stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay tuned because the future of tech is just getting started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the latest tech insights. Peace out!